Okay, Mom. I got the special items that we need. Alright. Now let's see if we can definitely win this award for you. We should XJ9 because this award is not just any award. It's also a glowing one that glows in the dark forever. Honey, what's wrong? Oh, it's just that I'm worried about Tommy. I, I don't know. I think I should go. No. Hey, babe. You gotta relax. He's almost about to be grown. You gotta learn to let go. You're right. He's probably just watching cartoons already with him. Guarding the house. I'm guarding the house. What are these? Headphones? Well, I guess I won't mind if I listen to them. This song's actually kind of catchy. Man, they do have the best music. Yeah, looks like Kilgore's too busy with the music. Alright, let's see what we got here. Whoa. What's this? Whoa. Nope, don't want that. Too hairy. Too glassy. Too ominous. Oh. Ooh, what's this? A coffee machine? Whoa, right. Stop it. Come here, you. Whoa. What's going on in there? If I can get in if I can get my knife mode on, maybe I can fix it. Okay, gotta be very careful. Don't want to get We got an energy search. It's from Tremerton. Shutter, dropkick. That's your cue. And also mine. Send in the troops.